I'm back. You're probably wondering how I got into this situation. Well, let's rewind for just a tiny bit. Okay, break time.
Adoy, wala tek.
Stone, phone.
My sister had a kid who is a brat, and I don't like him. Neither does my daughter. Whenever my sister goes to any family...
Nasaan ako? Ano to? Wow. Kalat. Ang gulo. Why is this happening? Bakit ganito? Ano to? At least may distraction. Nirvana. So, that's what happened.
Harvey realizes that his happy experience was just information rushing through his neurons. All of it makes sense to him now. He is currently inside somebody's laptop as an operating manager.
So, who's this mysterious person?
Yo! What the sigma? Lock mo na sa dragon, lock mo na sa dragon. Wala pa kayo. Sige, objective.
I died. Anyway, let's get to coding. Sana nga yun dito? Ba't kasi ang daming tabs? Teka, so, ito, tas ito. What the? Anyway. Uy! New record 73 minutes.
You held it a pretty long day today, my precious laptop. At dahil dyan, kain mo na ako? You'll be up and running again later. Anong kwarto to? Ang kalat?
Harvey's been up all night reading manuals to find a fix to the overloading issue, with the lamp he stumbled upon during the blackout.
I swear, kung sino man talaga ang may-ari na... Ano ba to?
schedule
The
later.
piece of paper turns out to be a flyer advertising what he just needed to solve his problems.
A DSA hack? Research natin. Task scheduling. Ayan.
Kailangan bang mag-manage, mag-organize, o sumunod sa schedule mo dahil marami ka pang
Okay.
kailangan
Sabi mo
tapusin
yan.
bago mo magawa ang kailangan mong gawin? Ito ang life hack para sa'yo. With our program, you can 1. Add a task with its dependencies. 2. Find the order in which task should be executed. 3. Check if a task can be executed if no pending dependencies. 4. Display all tasks with their dependencies. And 5.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
visualize your task graph. Ano nga ba ang secret naming sa program na ito? Paano nga ba siya gumagana? Well, Rhea, pasok!
What's up guys? I'm Rhea. And the logic behind our program is quite simple. Gumamit lang kami ng graph data structure. Sa GDS, may tinatawag na directed acyclic graph. Isang graph na walang cycles. Ginamit namin ang concept na ito into our task scheduler kasi in real life, hindi pwedeng paulit-ulit mong gagawin ang task mo unless gusto mong mapagod. So the program tracks your task and its dependency o yung mga prerequisites ng task mo using a adjacency list. It also calculates the end degree of each node para mabilang yung dependencies per task. Punta na tayo sa tutorial. Adding a task is simple. Just specify main task and its dependencies. Pero okay lang din naman kahit walang dependencies. For example, main task natin is LT5. Pero bago natin siya magawa, gagawin muna natin si LT1, LT2, LT3, and LT4. Para naman kung may order pala yung gagawin mo. Kasi for example, mas una yung deadline ni LT2 kaysa sa LT1 based on your preference or priority. The program interprets this as a dependencies of dependencies. Ilagay natin ang LT2 muna. Then LT1, LT4, and lastly, the LT3. Ngayon, naka-add na. So let's find the execution order of our task. So, the program determines the execution order using topological sorting, another DSA concept, to ensure that all the prerequisites are solved before a task starts. I-display nito ang pagkasunod-sunod. In the event na at na cycle is detected as a task input mo, just as task A, task B, task A, the program raises an error since no valid execution order exists.
Hello, hello! I'm Rena. Want to know if a task is ready to execute? Okay. For this, the scheduler checks for in degree. A task with an in degree of 0 can be executed immediately since it has no unresolved dependencies. Tingnan natin kung executable si learning task 2. Ayun! Oo! Pwede kasi nga nasa unahan siya. Pero yung learning task 5, hindi mo pa raw magagawa kasi may pending task ka pa. Oh no!
For the fourth option, makikita natin ang dependency ng each task. I'm Ivy by the way, and pindutin lang natin ito, and wow! Si LT2 ay dependency si... Walang task na kasunod si LT5 since siyang end task. Easy, right?
Chef here! Gusto mo bang maaninag ang itsura na iyong task at ang dependencies nito? For option 5, you can. To make things clear, the program can visualize the dependency graph. Here, nodes represent tasks, and arrows show the dependencies between them. Pindutin mo lang ang button na ito and go be! With one glance, maiintindi mo na ang relationship between tasks.
Saan ka ba? I-apply mo na tong task scheduler with dependencies sa buhay.
Pwede mo itong gamitin sa pagluluto.
Sa pag-groceries, for your studies, bahala ka sa buhay
Saan
mo.
mo ito gagamitin?
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
So, that's how it is.
Harvey's been learning the ropes on how task scheduling with dependencies work through the webinar he found in the flyer. And now, he has come back as a more knowledgeable OS man. Man OS? OS guy.
Okay. Back to work. Coding mo yung DSA.
It's showtime. Oh no, you don't. Do you want to stop experiencing lights or crashes? Yes or yes?
Yes, sir, yes. Huh? Ha? Ha? Nak ba to?
Hindi, ako to your OS.
La! Naririnig mo ako? Paano ko malalaman na hindi ka scammer o hacker?
Want me to tweak your brightness level right now?
But that doesn't prove anything. Hackers can control anything if they bug you.
Don't trust me. Just trust the plan. So, are you in or are you out? Ako ang nahihirapan sa estado ng pamumuhay mo sa laptop na to.
Okay, fine. Paano ba?
Just type in the things you need to do in order, then I'll organize them for you.
Okay, there's a lot. I have to play LOL. I have to review an AI.
Shut up! Just listen down.
Yes, Sigma.
Anong Sigma ka dyan? Kanina ka pa Sigma ng Sigma? Buang ka ba?
Harvey has been configuring things in the system while waiting for Div. He has also reviewed the info he got from Group 8. Now that Div has finished his list of things he needs to do in his laptop, the time has come for Harvey to do his part. Main character moment na these Harvs.
Sila, parang sila lang po. Okay, so I'll first visualize Div's task. Using directed acyclic graph helps clear the path without any circular dependencies. No cycles. Check. We can arrange the execution order using the topological sorting. So that's half done. Next is... Wait, bossing, do you want me to schedule your task based on your due date or based on the number of dependencies for each task?
Due date?
Sure, Ois.
Yes. Siyempre, tatapusin ko muna yung madali ang deadline. Duh.
Okay.
He's actually going to schedule them based on dependencies.
What?
Nani?
I heard that!
What was I doing?
Either add cost to the paths for each task and dependencies, or bilangin mo yung total number of dependencies.
Oo, alam ko na. May pinakamaraming dependencies, task 4, then task 1, then task 2, etc. Nice! So, the last thing is to... hew it all up! I'm thriving! Oh, here's your schedule, boss. Kailangan mo yun sundin.
Paano kung di ko sundin? Tasabog ba laptop ko?
You won't be able to deviate from the schedule for I have already allocated resources and won't be allocating anymore. So if you decide to run application outside its schedule.
Darn. Okay, my Sigma.
With the PhD in DSA Harvey gained during Group 8's workshop, he was able to clean the slate and sweep the floor with Divino. Thanks to Harvey, Divino's laptop has not crashed or lagged even once after Harvey's scheduling whiz was implemented. Divino's become an organized student, indeed.
It's all done! All thanks to me. Thanks.